13 reasons to use non-contact forehead thermometers. Taking care of a sick child is challenging. Children get stomach aches, a rash, and aches and pains. Having a reliable thermometer is a great help. It's even better if using it doesn't irritate the child. Now, you can take your child's temperature without even touching him. Here are some of the top reasons parents want non-contact digital forehead thermometers. Unlike the old strip forehead thermometers, a non-contact digital thermometer can take a child's temperature without even touching his skin. 2. The non-contact digital thermometer fits in the hand comfortably, with easy-to-operate buttons. The temperature is displayed in an easy-to-read digital format. 3. If a child is sleeping, you won't have to wake her up to take her temperature. Using the new non-contact digital thermometer is a good choice for health-conscious parents. It's so easy to take an accurate temperature. Wipe off any moisture on the forehead. Press a button on the thermometer and scan it across the child's forehead. Best of all, it will record the temperature of each child in a separate memory mode. When you need the information for a doctor, it will be available instantly. For more information, visit us at www.gingerhillcreations.com or at gingerhillcreations.com/thermi, or you can search us on Amazon. Thermi Non-Contact Forehead Thermometer by Ginger Kids and Ginger Hill Creations.